Welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to Red Button Journal. Today, look where we're going. We're going to Portland. We had so much fun on our anniversary, we decided to go to Portland again. And we're not coming to eat. We're actually coming to Hector's River, which is the place that we were trying to eat the other day. But this time we're just going to drive around and look at houses because I was looking at the map and I was looking at what we saw the other day. So here we go. There, that's a pretty house there. What's critical? Hold on here. What's going on? I'm gonna have something critical already. Huh. Well, it thinks the battery's dead, but it's not. It just stopped transmitting is all. Okay, well. Now, right up here in front of us is where we ate. Not where we ate, where we tried to eat. And off to the right is where we went down and looked at the ocean the first time. And you'll see up here in a second the sign for Hector's River. Under the rock. Under the rock, Hector's River. Yeah. What kind of place you suppose this is over here?
I think this is our guest house.
And like a guest house. Airbnb, you mean, or?
Yeah.
Or like a hotel, or what? Just a.
Not really hotel. That's not
Nice over there.
Airbnb guest house.
I want to go over there, see what that is over there, but I don't know. We'll see. I'm going to go up through here and wave at the people who we've seen before.
When come around, when you come around, I want to stop with that Yamis.
Oh, okay. Well, I wasn't going to take that road. There's a little shop right there. I wasn't going to take the road because it's so bad right there. So let me stop right now and do that.
Are you? Which road are you going to take?
Huh?
Next time you're going to take the other
I'm just
road?
going to take that other road, yeah. Yeah. So, you want to check? Passing the pretty house there. Oh, they got a little carport thing. That's pretty cool. Let me just pull up in here and we'll see who runs the yam factory here. Okay.
I wonder if that shop sells stuff. I wonder if that shop sells stuff that you want. The shop?
The sells of what?
The shop, but we don't need to stop so long because the camera.
Yeah, I don't want to stop too long.
Hello. Yeah. Who's selling here?
Huh?
Who's selling here?
Yeah. Selling where?
I think it's.
Oh, in the back of the car?
Uh-huh.
You're not selling, baby?
Oh, you're not selling? Okay.
No.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, all right. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. No, it's not selling.
Oh, you're not selling yams?
Mm-mm.
Oh,
They must buy it now. Just want me to get here.
Okay. okay.
Yeah.
Well, now we know.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, this man's saying something. Well, maybe not.
But this little shop is stopped.
All right.
Sure.
I'm not okay.
Little shop stopped.
Yeah. Oh, I mean, you could have gone in there if you wanted to, I guess.
No, but when they already.
Yeah. Woo! That sun warmed up. You know?
There's a sign here that shellfish, all kind of something sell right here, so we never see.
I'll have to wait on this guy a little bit here. Boy, that's it. Look at that big house there going in. That's nice.
It's so close to this one.
Huh?
It's so close to this one.
Yeah, yeah. Well,
Maybe it's the same land.
it could be the same land and they just have to fit it all in. Maybe they're going to take the one down or something. Although it looks like it's in good shape. These are not, these are decent places. They're well trimmed and well kept,
Yeah. I didn't know this road go as far and come around. I didn't
Yeah.
know.
When we've been through Hector's River, how many times we had no idea all this is up here, And then because we came to the under the rock place,
That sign on the tree must be because they're building.
it just it got us interested in seeing. There's a woodworking place here.
And if you do a good job,
Well,
because it's not far from us.
no, it's not far. It's a nice home here to the right. It's real nice. They've got like regular shingles. Just a cute little yard, on that pink house there.
Someone's not bad up here.
No, it's not bad at all. Not bad at all, really.
I didn't even know this place is such a big yard. It's a good size thing.
What happened here? Lost connection with one camera. I wonder if it's still recording. Having all kinds of connection problems and everything.
Look at that rose. Oh, it's big and pretty. It's a different kind of rose. Oh, I like it. And they kind of overlap.
Yeah, let me check it.
Oh, those sweet potatoes are so fat. Sweet potatoes. Wow.
Well, it's still going just fine.
So why it is saying that?
It lost connection to the phone. Maybe just because of I don't know. I don't know what would cause that. But I've lost connection to that one before. I probably need this phone to be somewhere up higher than where it's at, so they can keep the Bluetooth connection going, When I turn it off, I'll have to get out and turn it off manually.
These are gungo peas. It has blossom and it has some gungos on it.
Woo!
Pigeon-
One chicken
pigeon-
chasing the other.
Pigeon peas.
Do you see that? I don't know if I got the gungo peas.
Yeah, you see it right before your face here.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Get a good shot of those with the camera.
Pigeon peas.
Huh?
Pigeon peas.
Yeah, pigeon peas. When you have rice and peas, that's the best kind of peas to have, right?
It's nice, but yes, it's very nice.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. That's a pretty house up to our left.
But this one style.
Yeah. Well, most people have air conditioning there. This house off to the right, I don't know, I may not be able to see it till I get up to the... Oh, there's somebody sitting out on the veranda on my left. Oh, there looks like they're working on that, but it's kind of a, it's kind of a big house.
Yeah. So that turn off on your left,
Mm-hmm.
it's gonna take us out back.
It's going to take us back to the main road.
Right, that's what.
And then what I'll do is I think I'll drive back down the main road. But this house on the right is big. It's a big home. Look at the big steps at the front. So, okay, yeah, I see.
This road here.
Yeah. So we'll bypass a few houses here that go down this way. This road looks a lot better.
When you come out on the main, you're gonna continue going that way. What you gonna
Well,
do?
I think I'll turn back to the right.
To the right.
Mm-hmm. And then go turn around and see how everything's going. Well, that's a nice kind of a yard place down in there. I don't know, it just looks cool. You know, those two little blue houses, one wood house and one block house.
Somebody is sitting in the road.
Yeah. Oh, look at the view. You see it?
Yeah. I think see.
He couldn't see me.
Maybe he's not feeling good.
Yeah, that's what I think. Oh, that's a pretty little yard in there. Look at that. Isn't that cute?
They use the pieces.
Uh-huh.
To the
Uh-huh. I like that. You know, and it's not big, but it's just neat,
Look
you
at
know?
this. Look at this house.
Ooh, that's pretty. I'm kind of liking that color. I don't know. I didn't think I would ever like that color, but I've seen it on several homes, and I kind of like that combination.
It's a peach.
Kind of a peach and a...
dark peach and a light.
Yeah, a peach and an apricot. I don't know. Yeah.
Okay. So this road take you back on to the main.
Mm-hmm. It's just some pretty flowers and things, you know, like in that house there. It's just a nice little town, really.
So
It
where
really
is you're
is.
gonna turn after? You're
Huh?
gonna.
Well, I haven't got down there yet.
Oh,
Yeah. Boy, look at that White House up there. Woo! Oh, that's nice. Well, I wonder if that's apartments or if that's a house. You know? Hmm.
this one is a peach.
Mm-hmm. And gray. Peach, gray, and white. I didn't think I'd want a peach house, but every time I see one, I think, oh, isn't that a nice looking home? So, maybe that is what I want. Here, I gotta back up and see what the road looks like here. So I decide which path to take and not get a puncture. Maybe I'll go clear to the left. Way over to the left side.
So when you go back this way, where you gonna go?
I'm just gonna go down here. I want to figure out how to go to that home over there.
it's a home or it's like a business.
I don't know what it is, sweetie. But there's some of these little shops here. I want to see them and everything, you know. They're kind of neat. I'm probably going real fast. People won't be able to see much, but I just kind of like that, you know, just kind of the downtown shop area, you know. So is that? Well, I don't really see how to get to that place. Do you? I don't have any idea how to get to that place.
Maybe we pass the place to go over there.
Woo, look at the big rocks down in there. Yeah, I don't know how to get to there, so we're just gonna have to look at it from afar.
There's a place to go over there, because there are many houses
Oh,
here
yeah.
too.
Oh yeah, see the big houses up on the hill there that would have been on that road if we'd have kept going straight over there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He said there is. So it seemed like us right in here, so.
Uh-huh. Yeah, and it seems like there's a little cooking place up in there too.
It's right in here.
Right up in there. Maybe that's where they did do the fish cooking. It wasn't that other place we tried to go. Maybe that's why they didn't cook there anymore. Because we're at the wrong place, you know? But I like, you know, driving slow here and seeing all the little shops and everything, you know? No, and this guy, he's delivering to all the little places. Same guy. You know? Well, and then that's where we came out right there.
The top of the gazebo. Come on. Or the top, the gazebo don't have any top on it. Like,
Oh.
this is a good size shop. So.
Mm-hmm. Little auto parts store and so, and this is the main road through town.
That's another thing.
Mm-hmm. Oh, another field. Oh yeah, see? It seems like it's a lot bigger or something, or wider or something, I don't know.
Yeah, they play on that field.
This one's nicer. Yeah, way nicer. Seaside Early Childhood Center. Oh, Seaside is up one of these roads here. I don't know which one here.
I can go to your Seaside.
This is called Seaside out here?
Yeah. It's just like on Chiswick, you have it.
Uh-huh.
Up here, see what's happening?
Well, let me see.
This one is a big house.
Ooh, yes it is. I'm not going to really get a good view of it from this angle.
Oh, and another big one. Maybe it's like guest houses, you know.
Oh,
And
look.
it seems like
Villa Juanita.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, Villa Juanita. Okay. Oh, yes.
That one is big.
Yes. Oh, yeah.
So it seems like maybe they're more up. But the road is,
Let's just try to go up here.
but the road is bad.
Yeah, the road's very bad. But let's try to go up it anyway. It'll be a nice, you know, a nice video. If we can make it up here. That was squeaking there. from the flopping
Some-
back and forth.
Something squeaking, but it's like it's mine.
Mm. Oh,
Oh, yeah, man.
wow. Wow. You know, this road got washed out real bad from the rains, but
Mhm.
they've come in, they came in with a grader or something and kind of fixed it up.
And then there's a road that goes to.
Yeah, I don't know how far that goes. It's not even on the map. So
And maybe
it
guess
may
what?
just goes to a house.
Mm.
I think it just goes to a house. Because it's not on the map at all.
Oh, very nice. Like in
Oh,
this
yes.
It's nice.
And if I were to turn around and come the other way, which I may have to do just for the sake of doing it, you'll be able to see in front of me. When I turn around, you'll be able to see the ocean a lot.
Look at over here, so it's very.
Yeah, I'm trying to see where I'm going here. This looks like this came down, and they didn't make it over here to clean it, to grade this yet. But I should be able to get up here with my Subaru with no problem, people. Because you know I'm an adventurous soul. Oh, yeah.
See, maybe. Yeah, but also down maybe down. Because the light.
There's not any houses for a little ways, and then I kind of like to go back down there so you can see the sea behind me. But we'll just go this way. Oh, look, another big house. Wow. There's some really big homes in this area. Woo, that's a ravine. I don't want to go in. Wow, look at the view over there and everything, you know? Hope I didn't knock off my lens, my sun cover. You want to look out the door real quick and make sure it didn't come off. So if it did, we'll run back and get it. You still on it?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
But here, so the road is kind of good, you know. But going down the hill. And I wonder if it can carry back out and I'm here.
It does.
It does?
It does, yeah.
Mhm. Okay, house around here.
Woo, that's a deep ravine. Wow. Oh, man. Woo. I can't really see. The cameras won't see down there because I'd have to aim them down there. Because it's
Right there
really
as well,
deep.
so- yes.
Yeah, it's really deep.
Oh,
Okay. And here we are to here.
you see how it's go right along.
Uh-huh.
And the road come that way, so
Let me see here. I think I'm going to take this road here. Hopefully I can get past up there rather than the one to the right.
what that one we carry to the road to the
And it'll carry us to the same place that this will, basically. But there's more houses along this one. It looks I'm looking at my topographical or not, not tropical.
Well, you have nice house around here.
Let's see here. me see here.
They'll vehicle too, though.
Okay, let's go up to here at least, and we'll determine.
And the people around here, they drive, come and see if they can park in here.
Yeah. Well, if the people wanted an adventure, they want a big adventure, taking the back roads, they got one. They definitely got one. Okay, here's a road. This road is not the main road, though, sweetie. This
can take you back to the main road.
Yes. So I want to talk about where this road goes. If the road goes to the left, we go up to Seaside. If it goes to the right, it goes back to Happy Grove. So it looks like a decent road. I want to take that. So
because that gonna carry back to Happy Grove
Happy Grove.
and that to Seaside.
Yes.
Both places are nearby.
Yeah, I think I want to go to Seaside first. But anyway, let's wrap this one up, and I'll get all my cameras reset and reconnected because they've all come unconnected and everything. Let me back up, and hopefully nobody will come up behind me. But if they do, I'll have to move. So anyway, people, we're going to wrap this one up. So thanks for joining us. Big up yourself. Bless up yourself. Later. And
Amen.
amen.
Okay, this man here, that pass,
Yeah.
he come here.
Yeah.
He pass.
Here we see him at home.
Yeah, pass. He goes all over the place.
You know?